Hello everyone, this is Subash. In this video, we're going to show you how to post videos on YouTube in a best way, with best YouTube title, with best description, with best setup of posting our YouTube video. So in this video, we're going to show you detail and step wise and which step is perfect to post video. Like normally users are post from the YouTube, some of the post from the YouTube studio, and some of the users are post from the browser's YouTube studio. So which is perfect to post video? In this video, we're gonna show you each and everything. So please continue with this video and don't skip the video and get proper knowledge from this video. So I'm gonna show you my mobile screen from where how we can post our video. Firstly, I open my mobile. Then after, I regularly post video from YT Studio. And why I post the video from the YT Studio? Because it is very easy to set up everything. Like there we can get monetization option, description and keyword, each and everything you can set up from here. So I regularly upload from the YT Studio. So I will press on bell icon. And you can see a plus icon. From here we need to upload the video. I will press there. After pressing there, you need to choose the video that you want to post the video. So I will choose this video. After choose this video, we need to write their title. In which topic did you make that video? So normally I have made this video how to take music on Facebook post. Facebook post or photo. You can see here. You can see here. I have made each and every word from the first letter I have made here capital because it's look attractive and eye catching and that's people are prefer to watch that one. And then after you can add all small letter if you don't need anything. But the thing is that it looks attractive and it is good to designing and charming. So I add the first letter of each in a capital. Then after writing bracket full tutorial, then the bracket close. So I have add my YouTube title. Then after you can see here visibility. We need to always post on unlisted option because in unlisted option no one can see your post until you post on public. And if you get anything, if you want to change anything, then you can change before posting on public. So that is helpful, and that thing must noted in our mind. Always posting unlisted option. Then after always choose no, it's not meant for the kids. This option always need to be choose because it's show our video to above 18 kids and there's no restriction like in mini media they can also show. So this has a little bit more function. So what we need to note in our mind, we always need to post no, it's not meant for kids. Then I will come back. Then after tag product, you can tag your product. The product you have linked from your affiliated market. You can take product. I will not take take product there because I haven't added anything. So then after in description, what you need to do in description, you normally if you have some if you have not anything, this is my channel description which I use each and every video. Where from here they get our channel main things, then after they get some social media link from where if my video is going to be viral, then it's helpful connect with my all social platforms. So what I do, I normally copy this all and then after I will come on YT Studio, then after I will paste that here. So you can see here, I normally do that one, this is paste, and then after in last one, what we need to do, we need to write something about the video that you want to make, like some title, some keyword. So normally I put this all title that is I have made about the video. like how to create music on Facebook post, how to create music to Facebook post, how to create music on Facebook post, how to create music post, how to create song. In this way we can add the YouTube title. Then after we need to add something hashtag that is related to your video, like Facebook tips, Facebook tips, Facebook tutorial, Facebook music, add Facebook music to post. So this type of hashtag we need to add. After complete this one, I will go back. Then after introduction, you can see here location. In location, you don't need to do anything, don't change anything, just remain it's same. And then after you can see here add to playlist. You need to press on add to playlist, and this playlist that you created, in which playlist you wanna add. Like for that I wanna put in my Subash Kr, then I'll press here, then I'll press on run option. After pressing there, you can see here monetizations, paid product, paid promotion. I will press on here. Then after my channel is monetized already, so I will press on monetization. Then after I need to press on select option, and then I will press on option. If I will press on option, then when the video is going to be ranking, going to be increased, we can it's automatically we can get earning from the video. So for the making earning from the video, we need to enable that one. Then after from here, you can also take product. So I have not adding market related line, so I will not going to take this type of take product. Then after paid promotion, you can say if your video is a paid promotion, then you can add a yes. Otherwise, if it is not, then not do anything. Remain everything same. Then after I will come back. And after I come here, then you can see a community option. From here, you can invite your collaborator. So for that, I want to invite. I have multiple channels, so I want to invite myself. Subash Kr. Then I take the first link you can see here. Then I will create there. Then I can create link. Then I can copy. Then I can come back. After here, you can see a comment option. Comment option must be on. Then after show likes option, it's not necessary to like off or on. So as allow video and music remixing. Allow video and remixing option. This option which always need to be do according to your choice. You can do only audio remixing, but don't allow mixing. Then after press that, once after press that, then you can select review. You need to press on review. Then after you need to press on AI use. And if it is video is related with AI and it is made from the even it's made from some parts of from the AI like ChatGPT, anything, then you should yes option. If in a video there is no any content of the AI, then press on no option. And then after you can see here select category. In which topic your video is I have made. So I have made this video related to like science and technology. So I press on science and technology. Then after add tag, you need to add some tag. So in tag option you can see here how to add some to Facebook, Facebook. You need to put tag that is related to your video and that is related to your topic. So you must need to be noted in your mind on which topic that is made a video, and on that topic you need to get all the text on here. Then after I will press on that, and after completing everything, I will again double check everything like if not made for it, take permission, no need to see the description. I will put everything same according to my video. So this is my channel link. Then after the video, then just press that. Then after I will press automatic copying. Using video program and automatic cover without some other languages. Product imitation and on. And then after break function, then also the everything I have set up properly, and then after we need to wait for a moment, and after completing everything we need to add here humble. I press a plus icon, then after custom humble option, then after press on humble option. So this humble is for this video. You can see here in humble you must need to be also everything that is want to show on your video. So yes, Facebook, then after icon of music, then after add music on Facebook post, then after photo. In this way, you need to make a attractive and charming comment for the YouTube. And then after, you need to press on done option. After set up everything, I will press on save option. And it take a moment to upload the video because it uploading and processing, so it take a moment to complete everything. It depends on the Wi-Fi speed, what is the speed of the Wi-Fi. It's remain under 1 minute to complete it, and after we're going to post on. Okay. So now you can see here this post has been completed. Then after you need to come on this icon. After pressing there, you need to I will directly press on visibility option. And then after completing everything, you need to press on public option. And then come back and then press on save option. Then after I will check double it's in public. Then after press on publish option. And so after this one, my video, our video is on public. And now everyone can see the video. So this is way to post video on YouTube. Hope this video is really effective for you all guys, and you understand about how to post on video in YouTube. So this is way to post video on YouTube, and hope you really enjoy our video. Thanks for watching our video.